Hi, I'm Sarah from birdsofafeather.ca, and today I'm bringing you a Matzo Brei pizza from a recipe category we call the Unknown Chef. Here are the items you will need for this breakfast pizza. Start by preparing the matzo. Soak 2 pieces in a dish of water for about 10 seconds each side. Remove and set aside for later. Meanwhile, beat 3 eggs and add salt and pepper to taste. Prepare your toppings. Here I'm using mushrooms and pepperoni slices that are frozen. Pop them in the microwave to thaw. Take about a tablespoon of butter and melt it in a pan over medium heat. Add the mushrooms and then the pepperoni. Cook about 5 minutes or so. Then remove to a bowl. Heat another tablespoon of butter in the pan and break up the matzo. Cook for a minute, then add the egg mixture. Stir it around and spread it out as evenly as you can in the pan. Cover, turn, heat to low, and cook for 5 minutes. Our pan is deep, so we used another pan to help us flip the crust and then return it back to the pan. Add about 4 heaping spoons of tomato sauce, the pre-cooked toppings, and then the shredded cheese. Put the cover back on and let it cook until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Turn it out onto a plate, let it rest for a few minutes, then slice and serve. Thanks for watching.